Welcome travelers to a new trip report. This video is from August 2020 and the flights were carried out under very strict COVID-19 restrictions. I'm flying TAP Portugal from Porto to Lisbon today and the flight will be operated by an Airbus A319. Due to the coronavirus, the airport is almost completely empty. I have to say that I really like this airport and the architecture of it. Due to the current situation, the airport is equipped with many disinfection dispensers, which you even have to operate with your foot. Boarding will start soon. Let's see what the flight brings with it. The plane which operates today's flight is an almost 22 years old Airbus A319 and I'm really excited how it looks from the inside. I'm sitting on 3F today. The legroom in this row is very good.
Todos os equipamentos eletrónicos colocados nas bagageiras têm de estar desligados. O uso de powerbanks é proibido durante todo o voo. Informamos ainda que não é permitido fumar no avião, incluindo cigarros eletrónicos. Chamamos a vossa atenção para as demonstrações de segurança. Obrigada. Air Portugal, encontre com os seus parceiros Star Alliance, deseja a sua viagem gravada. Obrigada. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Alexandre Carona, dictate Colonial of TAP Air Portugal as Airline's member of flight talking on board of flight TP 2471. Our flight time to Lisbon will take 14 minutes.
Cabin crew, take off.
The seat has a holder for a tablet, which I think is very futuristic. The cabin is in a very good, modern and clean condition. Each seat is equipped with a power outlet and a USB charger. Finally, because of the virus, there is only a pretty basic safety card inside the seat pocket in front of me.
Goodbye and thank you. Senhores passageiros, de modo a ser feito um desembarque mais rápido e respeitando diretivas impostas, pedimos que permaneçam sentados até que as portas do avião sejam abertas e a tripulação dê indicação de que podem desembarcar. Relembramos que a utilização de máscara facial é obrigatória dentro do aeroporto. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to disembark faster and in accordance with imposed directives, we ask you to remain seated until the aircraft doors are opened and the crew indicates that you can disembark. We also remind you that use of face mask is mandatory inside the airport terminal. Thank you.
This flight cost me around 35 euros, and for that price my flying experience with Air Portugal was really good. Yes, there was no onboard service, but the cabin was clean and modern, which I really like. I will now fly TAP Portugal again on my way back home to Frankfurt on board an Airbus A320neo. I hope you enjoyed this trip report. Like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.